For most Indians, until very recently, short-term and mid-term goals like their children's education, buying a car or investing in a new gadget took priority over long-term goals like retirement planning. But with growing financial awareness, the mindset is completely changing. More and more people are realizing the importance of planning their future. Today, I am joined by Miss Manjari from Kotak Life, जो आपको एक सिंपल स्ट्रैटेजी बताएंगी जिससे आप अपने फ्यूचर को भी सिक्योर कर सकते हो बिना अपने आज के गोल्स को कॉम्प्रोमाइज किए. So stay tuned for valuable insights. Hello Manjari ji.
Namaste and thank you so much Sanjay. I am Manjari Mangesh Kulkarni, living legend Kotak Life.
तो मैम मेरे कुछ फॉलोअर्स का सवाल है कि रिटायरमेंट के लिए एक सिंपल और इफेक्टिव सेविंग स्ट्रेटजी क्या हो सकती है, आप क्या रेकमेंड करते हो?
So Sanjay, having a huge experience of more than 2 decades in the finance industry, I always recommend 60, 30 and 10% rule for the retirement planning. 60% has to be invested for the guaranteed retirement income because which has to be taken care for your groceries, utility bills, consumables, etc. Then next 30% has to invest for the health because जैसे उम्र बढ़ेगी वैसे हेल्थ के एक्सपेंसेस भी बढ़ेंगे. So that has to be kept aside for the medical emergencies, we can say. Then next 10% has to go for the aspirational hobbies. Like the whole life we are working really hard and कुछ aspirations रहते हैं, कुछ hobbies रहते हैं जो हमने back of the mind. So that 10% has to go for the aspirational things which will be taken care. वो आपके सपने पूरे करने में definitely आपको मदद कर सकता है.
That's a very simple and effective advice, Manjari ji. इस पे आपने रिटायरमेंट के हर एक्सपेंस को एड्रेस कर लिया है. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much Sanjay for having me here.
So the 60-30-10 or the purpose-based planning rule is a great way to start. And of course, you can tweak the ratio as per your requirement. अगर आपके लिए ट्रैवल या घर का अपग्रेड इंपॉर्टेंट है तो वो 10% को आप 20% कर सकते हैं और जो 10% आपने ज्यादा किया है वो बचे हुए में से एडजस्ट भी कर सकते हैं. अब सवाल ये है where to start. I'd suggest you look out for plans which are not offering you only guaranteed returns but also giving you flexibility to choose the payout, जैसे कि immediate या deferred payout as per your need. For more details